Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. In today's narration, we explore stylish wood furniture projects designed to generate income. Wood furniture has always carried value, but in the modern market, style, functionality, and smart design have transformed woodworking into a powerful income opportunity. No longer limited to traditional tables and chairs, modern wood furniture now represents lifestyle, identity, and intentional living. When craftsmanship meets market awareness, wood becomes more than material, it becomes a business. Many people love woodworking but struggle to turn their passion into consistent income. The reason is not a lack of skill, but a lack of direction. Income is generated when furniture is designed not only to look beautiful, but to solve real problems, fit modern spaces, and align with what buyers are actively searching for. Stylish wood furniture sits at the intersection of aesthetics and practicality, and that intersection is where profit lives. In this video, we will walk through the mindset, design principles, and furniture project ideas that consistently perform well in the market. Whether you are working from a small workshop or a fully equipped studio, these ideas will help you think like a creator and operate like a business owner. This is about building furniture with purpose, confidence, and long-term income in mind. Stylish wood furniture begins with understanding modern taste. Today's buyers are drawn to clean lines, balanced proportions, and designs that feel intentional rather than decorative. Simplicity sells because it fits more spaces, more lifestyles, and more design preferences. A simple, well-executed piece often outperforms a complex one because it allows the material and craftsmanship to speak for themselves. One of the most reliable income-generating categories is modern tables. Coffee tables, side tables, console tables, and compact dining tables are always in demand. The key is not size, but design clarity. A stylish table with a strong silhouette, stable construction, and refined finish can become a repeat-selling product. Tables are versatile, relatively easy to scale, and work well across different price ranges. Coffee tables, in particular, perform well because they anchor living spaces. A modern coffee table with layered surfaces, subtle curves, or integrated storage appeals to buyers seeking both form and function. When designed with balance and proportion, even a simple coffee table can feel premium and justify higher pricing. Side tables and nightstands are also strong income pieces. They require less material, are easier to ship, and fit perfectly into modern interiors. Buyers often purchase them in pairs, increasing order value. Adding drawers, open shelving, or hidden compartments elevates their functionality and perceived value. Another powerful category is stylish seating furniture. Chairs, benches, and stools combine craftsmanship with daily utility. Modern seating focuses on comfort, ergonomics, and visual harmony. A bench with clean lines and strong joints can serve multiple purposes, as seating, storage, or decor, making it appealing to a wide audience. Stools are especially profitable for woodworkers. They are compact, quick to produce, and adaptable to kitchens, studios, and living spaces. A stylish wooden stool with a modern profile can sell consistently, especially when offered in different finishes or heights. Foldable or stackable stool designs further increase their appeal by solving space challenges. Benches offer another opportunity to generate income. Entryway benches, dining benches, and bedroom benches serve functional needs while enhancing interior style. A well-designed bench can feel architectural, becoming a focal point rather than a background piece. Storage furniture is another income-rich area. Modern buyers value organization but dislike bulky designs. Stylish storage furniture balances openness with structure. Shelving units, cabinets, and storage benches designed with modern proportions attract buyers who want clutter-free spaces without sacrificing style. Floating shelves and modular shelving systems are particularly profitable. They are simple to produce, customizable, and align with minimalist trends. When shelves are designed with strong brackets, clean edges, and consistent finishes, they feel intentional rather than improvised. Cabinets and media units also perform well when kept visually light. Elevated bases, open sections, and mixed materials help reduce visual heaviness. These details signal modern design and allow the furniture to integrate seamlessly into contemporary homes. Another growing category is multifunctional furniture. Modern lifestyles demand flexibility, especially in small living spaces. Furniture that adapts to multiple uses generates higher perceived value. A coffee table with storage, a bench that opens, or a desk that folds away speaks directly to practical needs. Multifunctional furniture often commands premium pricing because it demonstrates problem-solving skill. Buyers are willing to pay more for pieces that simplify their lives. From an income perspective, these designs also differentiate your work from mass-produced alternatives. Stylish wood furniture also extends into home decor furniture hybrids. Pieces like console tables with artistic bases, mirror-integrated shelves, or sculptural side units blur the line between furniture and art. These designs appeal to buyers looking for uniqueness and emotional connection. Designing with curves is another way to elevate style. Rounded edges, arched supports, and flowing forms feel modern, soft, and inviting. Curves also demonstrate craftsmanship, signaling higher quality and justifying higher prices. When combined with precise finishing, curved designs stand out in a crowded market. Material choice plays a significant role in income generation. Solid wood conveys durability and authenticity, while engineered wood allows creative shapes and cost efficiency. Successful furniture makers choose materials strategically, balancing beauty, cost, and performance. Finish quality is non-negotiable. Stylish furniture demands smooth surfaces, consistent tones, and refined details. Finishing is where craftsmanship becomes visible. Buyers may not understand joinery, but they instantly recognize a poorly finished surface. Investing time in sanding, sealing, and coating directly increases perceived value. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Stylish wood furniture is where creativity meets opportunity. Each project you design has the power to improve living spaces and strengthen financial independence. When you build with clarity, discipline, and purpose, Woodcraft evolves into a sustainable business rooted in passion and precision. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.